Hey guys, it's Reagan from Prima Coffee, and today we're going to be unboxing the Rancilio Silvia. We love the Silvia because it has held its own for over 2 decades, and that is likely because of its stainless steel design, its small footprint, and its reasonable price point that have made it stand out above the rest. It comes with a bunch of great features like a 58mm commercial brass portafilter with a double spout. It also comes with a single insert basket and a double insert basket. It has a durable stainless steel steam wand with a 1-hole steam tip, and an easy-to-use professional-grade steaming knob that helps control the steam pressure with precision. And lastly, it comes with this large removable stainless steel drip tray that makes for easy cleanup. The Silvia has set the standard and remained one of the most well-respected espresso machines of its time. Its quality design and use of reliable materials, as well as its professional-grade accessories, make it one of our favorites. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about the Silvia, drop them in the comments below. And if you'd like to learn more information on it, you can find it online at primacoffee.com, and I'll see you guys next time.